In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Good morning, my dear students. Today we will start a new science journey. Are you ready for your journey? Our topic today will be about shadow. Our objectives will be: first one, how are shadows formed? Number two, what causes the size, length, and position of shadow to change? Now we will explain the meaning of each point. What is the meaning of shadow? Shadow is made when an object blocks light. That means his body here blocks the light from crossing his body to the another side. Light travels in straight line. So when these straight lines try to cross his body here, the light will be crashed at his body. So his body will block the light from moving to the other side. So we will have a new shadow. So the light travels in a straight line is if it's blocked, there must be shadow formed. If I asked you what is the cause of shadow, you will answer that light travels in a straight line and these straight lines blocked by some object, so the shadow is formed. Now we have many types of objects. There are three types. The object must be opaque or translucent to make a shadow. And translucent means semi-transparent. Also, transparent object will not make any shadow, as the light will pass straight through it. Again, we have three types of materials. First one, opaque. Second one, translucent or semi-transparent. Third one is transparent. Opaque materials blocks the light from moving through. Semi-transparent will allow some light to pass through, but anything behind it will be not clearly. Transparent materials allow light to pass through, and anything behind it will be more clearly, like glass. Okay? Here we can check when the sunlight in the morning and at the day. What is type of shadow? At the early of morning, the sun is low in the sky and casts a long. Midday, the sun is above the tree and casts short. Here will be long shadow and here will be a short shadow because of the distance between the sun and objects. Here the sun is closer. Here the sun is very far. Excellent. In the evening, the sun is low in the sky and casts long shadows. So in the evening, we will have long shadows also. If an object is moved closer to the light source, the shadow gets bigger. If I asked you when can we have bigger shadow, you will answer the object moved closer to the light source. If an object is moved farther away from the light source, the shadow gets smaller. If I asked you also when the shadow gets smaller, you will say and you will answer if an object is moved farther away from the light source, the shadow gets smaller. Don't forget your homework, workbook page 79. At the end of our lesson today, thank you for listening and have a nice day, my dear students.